Want to celebrate like Cole Palmer in EA Sports FC 25? Stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how to pull off the Cole Palmer celebration on PlayStation, Xbox, and more. Cole Palmer has taken the football world by storm. Not just his goals and assists, but with his iconic celebration, now you can bring the same cold energy to FC 25. Here's how you can do it. For any player with under 75 agility, hold L2 PlayStation or LT Xbox and rotate the right stick clockwise. For players over 75 agility, be careful. They won't do the Cole Palmer celebration. Instead, they'll pull off Sam Kerr's signature backflip. Want to use Cole Palmer himself? Just score a goal and press X on PlayStation, A on Xbox, B on Nintendo Switch. This celebration became famous when Palmer scored a brace against Luton Town in December 2023. His teammate Noni Meduki have even said after the match, that's why they call him Cole Palmer, isn't it? Now you're ready to ice up your celebration in FC 25. Let me know in the comments if you're using this, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more FC 25 tips. See you in the next time.